This journey is from the town of Sultanpur. Traveling northwards through several tiny villages towards Hyderganj. Then east into the Kapradi region. Passing through the villages of Chaturbhuj, Ramesh and Girli being greeted by his cousin Ramsundar and his wife on the street just outside their ancestral home. They are being greeted by their relatives, much to the curiosity of fellow villagers also. Then as per tradition, the Pandit tied Raksha for Ramesh and Girli. This is tube well, which runs on diesel. It pumps water from the water cable some 30 feet below. This is Ramsundar's house, where his daughter-in-law and granddaughter are grinding dry rice and grains to make panigri. The famous phrase is that you are piecing masala. This was very popular in every home, and even today may be found in some homes. A flat stone, which is rested on the ground, and a round stone, which is used to grind masala, hardi, garlic, clove, and pepper. The fanning of rice using a hand-propelled windmill device. Making of diya, where the clay is mixed with water, forming a dough, which is then placed on the chakra and spinned at a fast speed. The diya is shaved out of the clay, cut with a thread, and put in the sun for drying. The dal trees look very similar to our pigeon peas. They are currently in bloom and would bear in couple of weeks. The chimney is over 100 feet high and can be seen from a distance. The dough is then placed in a mold and the soft brick is made. It is then left in the sun to dry, after which it is transported to the factory for baking. The juice is collected, then boiled in a large container until it solidifies. Various type of vegetables, ornaments, tea, boiled milk, parched rice, jalebi, and other sweets. Ramesh's grandparents sold most of their agriculture products here in this local Friday market. This is a traditional method where the bullocks turn a shaft which causes the roller to crush the sugarcane that are in between. Here the farmer is using a machinery to level the land after it is plowed. He is from a neighboring village and is doing this job for the owner of the farm. His name is Ram Pyare and is from the Nandwa Purwa town.
प्रजापत पुत्र गण राम लखन।
चाचा के रहे, चाचा दादा के रहे,
चाचा बड़े चाचा राम हरख और यही थे। ये मुनीसर और जगेसर और रमेसर ये तीन भाई थे और मैं उन्हीं मुनीसर का नाती हूँ। और मैं जब मुनीसर जगेसर यहाँ पर रमेसर रहते थे तो इस खेत में वो लोग बोते थे। अब जगेसर राजा का परिवार बेसंडीन में रहता है। और रमेश भाई, और नरेश भाई, और देवशरण भाई, और राजनारायण भाई, सुरेश भाई, राजेंद्र भाई, ये सब
Finally, the moment came to say goodbye to relatives and fellow villagers. The time spent with relatives and fellow villagers is a time which Ramesh and Girli will always cherish for years and years to come.
you